Test C, the quadratic inequality question, and those are the 4 options available, and this was generally handled much better than it had been before. The tricky thing that I put in here was that we've got a negative x squared graph. So what's our process? First thing is solve this one equals 0. Well, I don't like that one. I don't think many people would. So let's solve 12x squared plus 13x, take away 4, equals 0. Right? We know the process. Solve this, sketch it, furry graph, choose the right region. Okay, so remember, number 1, solve, 2, sketch, 3, furry graph, 4, choose, 5, write down in the right format. Okay, so solving this one. Most of these will factorize, and this one is no different to that. 12 4s are 48, with the difference of 13 is 16 and 3. So 12x plus 16, 12x minus 3. These solve to x is equal to minus 3/4, minus 4 over 3 even, and x is equal to 1/4. Okay, so those are our roots. So we sketch the graph, nice big graph. Minus 4 over 3 is about there, plus 1/4 is about here. Now we're not sketching this one because we've simplified that to make positive coefficient of x squared. We've got to sketch this one, which goes that way. And it should go through 4. And this would be minus 4 over 3. And this one would be 1/4 if we're sketching it as part of a exam question. We should sketch it and it should look something like that. We should know how to work out where the max value is and the coordinate of it by completing the square, or otherwise. And what we do now is replace our y equals 4 minus 13x minus 12x squared. We want that bigger than 0. So if we replace this by the bits on the curve, then we're looking for the bits where y is bigger than 0, which on the graph, there's our furry bit, and we get that furry bit with x values that are between minus 4/3 and 1/4. So minus 4/3 and 1/4, we want x in between those, so let's put x in between them, and the arrows point to the small numbers. So there's our answer, and we want a